today it's the 9th of May 2023. We still have one more residential building with an elevator here in Lauttasaari. There was original with MP4, which is 3 rides on it. What was the address, by the way?
Hakolahdentie 5.
Huh?
Hakolahdentie 5.
Oh yes, Hakolahdentie, Raksenglais, Vegan 5, the stakes A. We also need to get to the stakes B here. It was in the information that as if there wouldn't be anything here, but there still is. It's built in 1956. They're 65 years old and 0.6492 with 4 floors, and it will be expected next year, 2024. Yeah. But not too loud. We also need to get to the stakes B here, of course.
Yeah.
I love this one in here.
Same. Inspected by Kivines and maintained by Spawn Hissi.
Did you find the code or?
No.
Okay. We'll try the B. No?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's going to be, but I don't know if it's finished in 1957, but we can check.
Yeah.
It's not as rare, like it would have been a 2-person elevator like this.
Yeah.